Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over Algorand, which is a top layer 1 blockchain. I'll be covering the fundamentals briefly, then I'll hop into the price charts and discuss where I think the Algo token is headed here in the short term, as well as in the long term. So if that interests you, be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. Looking at the overall crypto market, Bitcoin is trading for $23,140. 23,200 is a major support resistance level. So I am interested to see if Bitcoin will hold and close above 23,200. That should give it the gusto to push it up to 25K, which is going to be very bullish for altcoins such as Algorand. Right now, Algorand is ranked number 37 in the market cap. It is trading for 25.5 cents with an overall market cap of $1.85 billion. The amount of Algorand coins in circulation right now is 7.2 billion with a maximum supply of 10 billion. So that gives it a fully diluted market cap of $2.5 billion, which is not much higher than the market cap currently with the available supply. So that is good tokenomics right there. A lot of the algo, most of the algo is already in circulation, which is very healthy for the long-term sustainability of the project. Now looking at the overall all-time high of algo, it is $3.56. Currently at 25.5 cents. That is 92.7% down from that all-time high price. So there's a lot to go back until that all-time high. So there's a lot of potential gains on the table with algo. If you want to hear where I think it is going, be sure to stick with me until the end of the video. Now the all-time low of algo was 10.5 cents. We're pretty close to that level, and that happened in March of 2020 during that infamous market-wide crash. So what is Algorand? Well, it's a layer 1 blockchain. We are here at the Algorand Foundation site. This is, of course, the foundation behind Algorand. And a little bit of a backstory, the founder of Algorand is an MIT professor. We can see founded by Turing Award winner and MIT professor Silvio Micali. Now with Algorand, we see it as the world's most scalable, secure, decentralized, green blockchain ecosystem. A lot of buzzwords there, which is very good. And Algorand is legit. It's a very powerful, good, solid blockchain layer 1. Think of it as something like Ethereum. It's a smart contract platform that has a robust ecosystem built on top of it. So we're talking DeFi, we're talking gaming, metaverse, etc. Everything that Ethereum has, Algorand is essentially building its own version, its own ecosystem. So a lot of potential with this project, and there's a lot of backing by big money. They have ecosystem grants, millions of dollars going towards building up this ecosystem. I'm not going to dive too deep into the fundamentals of this video. I do want to mostly spend time on the price. So let's go over the price action right now. And looking at the Algorand Twitter account, I mean, this project is huge, right? It is number 37 in the market cap, and it will only grow over time, in my opinion. I do think it is a bit undervalued, so let's hop into the chart right now. So let's take a look at Algorand here on the weekly price chart. So the first thing I want to point out to you is the March of 2020 crash. This is Algorand's all-time low price down here at 10.5 cents according to CoinGecko. Now, if you look at where price bottomed out over here in December and early January of 2023, just around 3 weeks ago, it is very close to these all-time low prices. And you'll notice it was a full retracement practically of the entire bull market. So we had a huge reset on algo, and we retraced basically over 95% to the bottom. So in my opinion, I do think that the bottom is in across the board, and especially for algo as well. And that bottom took place at around 16 cents, 15 cents as we can see here on the chart. So we practically almost got the same bottom from 2020. So for anybody out there waiting for lower prices, thinking that this is going to go back to 10 cents or 12 cents, I think that you're going to be mistaken and that the bottom is in right now. So let's talk about where it is going now in the immediate short term as well as the long-term potential of algo. So beautiful V-shaped bottom, right? We had the weekly bullish divergence here, price making lower lows, RSI was getting stronger, forms this nice V-shaped recovery. Now as you see, we are at a major resistance level over here at 25 cents. We are above 25 cents. As we see, recovering from the March of 2020 crash, this resistance level was huge back then, 25 cents. This was in June of 2020. Initially, price got rejected, but it came back up to 25 cents and took off. It took off all the way to 67 cents. In a matter of a couple of weeks, it doubled in price over a 100% return. Now we are at that same 25-cent level. This is major, and this is on the cusp of a huge breakout. Maybe it gets rejected initially, and we get another chance to buy it around 20 cents back in this demand level. But look at what happened in 2020. Initially rejected from 25 cents, pull back slightly, accumulate, reload, and then it got sent, and it never came back into this demand level. All right, so we are at a key price level on the chart. Also notice this was the main support level of the bear market really before FTX collapsed, right? The FTX collapse happened over here in November of 2022. And before that, the main support level was over here around 28 cents. So we're still below the main support level that was like a 6-month long support. So Algo is still undervalued, even though from the bottom it's already up around 57%. This is only the beginning. Most people are still bearish on crypto. They think it's going to go lower, and they're simply going to get left behind here. So now we have the chance to basically still accumulate at very, very low prices, because even back up to the all-time high levels over here, if we take a look, even back up to the all-time high, we have a gain of around 900%, all right? So that's just around a 10x to the high price of the previous bull market. If this goes to the all-time high price of where it was listed, it's got around a 12, 13x, and then it most likely goes into price discovery. So what I'm saying here is that long term, I think most definitely this thing is going to at least 10x. But let's talk about potential trade opportunities here in the immediate short term by dropping this down to a 2-hour time frame chart. So on the 2-hour here, it's pretty clear what is going on. I'm going to put this indicator up on the screen. It just shows me the key price action levels, such as the weekly high, weekly low, and the Monday high and Monday low. So we see here the range that was created from Monday with the Monday high and Monday low over here at 25.39 cents, and then the low is over here at 24.4 cents. Well, what happened on Wednesday? We broke down. It was a false breakout. We test this demand zone. We have a beautiful double bottom reversal. So many charts did this double bottom W reversal pattern out of this deviation from the Monday range. So out of this W reversal double bottom pattern, it came back and used that range low, the Monday low, as resistance, and then it broke above it, and now it's, as we see, it's using the Monday high as support. So we have a successful flip from resistance to support now, and we are above this key level at 25 cents too. So as long as 25 cents continues to hold as support, we are going to push up higher here. This is a very, very easy laid out momentum trade. If you are curious to find out an exchange to both buy Algo as well as to trade it, check out Bitget. There is a link to sign up in the description down below. And if you want to find out how to trade on Bitget, I have made tutorial videos on how to do that. I'll leave a card right here to those tutorial videos. You must be blind if you don't see this momentum trade, because it is simply clear as day now. We are flipping resistance into support. We are overtaking major weekly price levels, right? This 25 cent level is a weekly support resistance flip level. So major things are happening right now with Algo, and this pump is just getting started. So what are some target levels? Let's go to the daily price chart and take a look at that. We do have the resistance at 28 cents. If you're a scalper, a short-term scalper, this could be a good level to take some profit at, but I think this will get shattered and Algo will head up here towards 32 cents. Face some big resistance over here, but I do see it getting over here to the November highs, right? This was right before the FTX collapse. Algo was trading for 45 cents. So from current price to 45 cents, we have a gain of 77%. This is really the main target right now, and I can see Algo getting here very quickly back up to 45 cents. Again, as long as Bitcoin doesn't, just totally lose the plot and start tanking below 23K again, if we get this daily close above $23,200, we're going to have a very bullish altcoin weekend, and I can see Algo just continuing to tear and momentum trade up higher. So the first level for a swing trade for taking profit, I would look from 40 to 45 cents. From there, we probably get a decent sized pullback, but it will continue marching higher, and 67 cents is the next major resistance after we have 45 over here. All right, so from 67 cents to current price, that is a gain of 164% potentially on the table here over the next couple of weeks. So definitely have it marked on your chart. If you're looking for an entry and you want to get in, maybe we get blessed with another retest of the Monday low down here at around 24.4 cents. right? This is also an obvious support level on the chart. Price spent a lot of time in this level. So this is where I would be looking. We can call this demand, right? This is basically a demand zone. If we look, this is a rally-based rally. We can mark that in green like so. So 24 cents is your closest demand level to current price. I would look for a dip back down into that demand zone. This is a good spot to load up, not financial advice. But yeah, Algo is a very easy momentum trade right now. It is looking to get up to 32 to realistically 67 cents. It's going to have a big run here really soon. Most likely is going to look something like Phantom FTM. Phantom did pretty much the same thing where it swept the low from Monday, then just took off. And this is most likely what Algo is going to look like. I think Phantom FTM still has some more to go as well. But regardless, Algorand, definitely have it on your watch list if you are trading. Now let's talk about the long-term potential of this thing after it does end up breaking the all-time high. So to discuss the long-term price prediction for Algorand, I'll be using the coin perspective to calculate the market cap. So if you're buying Algo down here at around 25, 26 cents, it's possible it goes 100x, but it's not guaranteed. So you want points to take profit in the meantime. So a good level that I like for Algo, a good realistic long-term price prediction for the top of the next bull market is $5 for this coin. So if Algo does end up hitting $5, it's going to put it around a $40 billion market cap. Do I think that Algo can grow higher than that? Sure. But we're simply outlining good spots to take profit, and we're just kind of projecting. It's pure speculation. This is not financial advice. But if Algo was to get around a $40 billion market cap, that would be around a 20x, putting the token around $5. That is a realistic kind of price for the peak of the 2024-2025 bull run. All right, so if you're buying it now, I think a 20x is possible. It's not guaranteed. So I would definitely take profit on the way up. Now remember, it's very important not to fall in love with any one cryptocurrency. You can love Algorand, it can be your favorite coin, but that doesn't mean you should just hold it to infinity. We are here in the crypto market to make money, and in order to make money, you need to sell your investments. So the smartest thing to do, or the most stress-free thing to do, I should word it as soon as your initial investment doubles in price, you get a 100% return. A strategy that I like to use is I like to sell my initial investment amount. Just get my money out and I let that bag just ride free. It is completely stress-free. And now that I have my initial capital back, I can look for other projects to invest into and just reuse that same capital, let it go 100%, take it back out. And this allows you to build different bags starting with essentially one. But you need to sell in order to do this, right? So don't hold to infinity. You can if you want. It's your money, it's your coins, you do whatever you want with it. But you simply want to maximize your profit this bull market. So you need to be strategic with your profit taking. But anyways, that's a topic for another video, how to really capitalize and maximize your profits this next bull market. But for now, just know my price prediction is 20x to around $5 from the current Algorand price. So in this video, we talked about Algorand and the Algo coin. We talked about some basic fundamentals, and then we hopped into the price chart to go over where I think the coin is headed here in the immediate short term, as well as the long term over the course of this next up and coming bull market. I do think that Algo has bottomed out for the current bear market. I don't see it going lower than 16, 15 cents. What do you think though? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.